I saw that. It looks really nice, though. I still need to go there. It's like what, $20? Yeah. Sometimes it's a lot easier to get away with it.
Ryan and Aaron didn't like the noise there a little.
Yeah, they might get me at first.
Yeah, because if we cut our own hair, we get split ends. It's just awful. Scream at the fireworks.
So is your sister down here?
There goes Ryan. No. No, she can stay on Middle Street.
Oh, yeah, she lives right over there.
Yeah,
Right?
she's tired.
She's still working 2 jobs?
They don't have any other ones
Your
that are
sister's
like
still working 2 jobs?
No, she's
Oh, day camp? She's still working, right?
yeah.
40 hours?
Thank you for taking a picture.
Yeah,
of
actually,
the
she's
little...
working. She has 1 day off.
Oh, wow. Oh, my God. What shift does she work, you know?
First.
Oh, really?
Yeah, it's either
what I'll
7
do.
or 8 she goes in, and then she doesn't get 4 or 5.
Oh, really?
Yep. Long day. That's why she wasn't coming down. I don't want to deal with people. I don't want to deal with people all day. Ooh, that's pretty. That was they're hiring.
At the zoo. $12 an hour. They won't be there because
Well, I don't know if it's because
nurses and so
that amount. I don't know.
four
Hospital.
or other like predators attacking them.
You have the RS? Maybe I should go there for a shift and try it. Can't hurt. Try it.
The red is amazing. I love that berry.
Oh yeah, my butt's hurting too. And she doesn't beat frames, but that's okay. If you're trying to say you do, your nose isn't that big. It'd be a lot less. Yeah. Compared to Paul's, it's like a tiny button nose. Yeah, her boyfriend, he has like a...
Yeah, when you go up to the lights,
Take a right, it's all right there.
right there on that right there, we're parked right on the side.
I like the one you got with
We'll be able to get out if once it's out.
You'll be on here.
Yeah, so we.
Right, sister.
Deb!
I thought you weren't coming.
Oh, we were just talking about you. Was you? I was just asking if you were coming.
Oh, you freaking oh my God. Sorry ass. You better not fart, because I'll throw you off the bridge.
He's like a year older.
Well, we
Yes, I do.
They won't let you do that. Yeah, he has.
Yeah. Well, oh my God, my leg. No. I'll hold your back up, okay, sis? I know, we were just talking about you. Your ears must have been burning. I said, she ain't coming today. She's too tired. There
2 seconds later, there you were.
Yep.
I don't blame
I was just asking if you're still working at the hospital. Yeah. Pretty good there, huh? You like that job?
Here's the
No?
bill.
What do you make? $12 an hour?
Yeah.
First shift though, right? Huh? Yeah. I'll never do second again. I don't know where I'm going to go. If I go, I'll go now.
She's your.
Yeah, I remember that.
Yeah, she's your. No, not. Okay. Yeah. Well, kind of like my brother, because his mom and my mom. Cherry bomb.
It's a cherry bomb. No, I didn't say Jaeger bomb. It's a cherry bomb. Whoa. That's great. Birdie. They light up the sky. Yeah. Whoa. Yeah, I haven't seen any of our relatives. That's me. They're all down here. Yup. Yeah, well, it wouldn't have been me.
Look over there one guy.
Remember those days, Deb? No, they were too loud.
Take your anger.
Whoa, here we go. Up on.
Big cross.
Sparkle, shine bright like a diamond. No, shine bright like a diamond.
Yeah, that's exactly right.
Like diamond. That's a diamond in the sky.
Oh, yeah.
And here's another.
When they start school. It has to be first. I can't do it. I don't want to do second again. I'm going to try in a group home. I will paid something. I mean, whatever I can. Yeah, I get
Three of them.
Yeah,
that's pretty.
So I don't know about the cleaning thing, you know.
Long trees.
A sitter could be a constant attendant.
Yeah. There's places that pay better than they can do that. But I want to go to the mentally challenged.
Well, unless you.
Oh, there you go.
I'm gonna try. So maybe I.
You know how that works. You get a job somewhere, you know. Then, you know, just gotta keep an eye on, you know.
Well, not that made me go back home, but convinced my mom to be okay with me spending most of my summer in Florida. Kelly's moving to Florida. You're going to be in Florida. I don't even have to have my ideal planned out life in Florida. I don't even care if I have a house. I can have a nice apartment in Florida.
Yeah, I got my license. I had to take it. Because
Oh, it's cold.
like, you really look like you really look like
I was constantly watching.
Here we go! Yeah!